Okay, so the next one we'll be doing now is the count function. So count function only count cell with numbers, not cells with letters. If I count and I use letters, it won't work. I can only count numbers. But the counter function is better used if the cells have letters. So what I'm going to do now, I will say equals to count. Let me count it under here. I'll say equals to count. Oh, sorry. I'll say equals to count tab. Then what down to count? I want to count the remember count, you can only count no you can only count numbers, you can't count letters. So I'll just count numbers like this, and I'll close my bracket and I'll press enter. Can you see that it gave me 20? So if I should count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can you see that it gave me 20? Can you see? So what I'm so what we do now, so let me try for letters. Can you see that it will not work? If I say equals to count equals to count, and I count letters like this, watch, enter. Can you see that it gave me 0? Because it can only count numbers, it can't count letters. So that's all for count function.